Where'd the car go?
This is crazy. This is not real. What the fuck?
So,
What the?
Hey, look, there's the exhaust.
Hey, how'd the exhaust
That's
get in
on
the
fire right there.
car? Oh, it is on fire.
Yeah, it's a fire.
What are we gonna do?
Dude, that's the fucking engine. No wonder it's
How
on
the
fire.
fuck? And a piece
Probably
went
still
way
had
over there.
gas
It's in the fucking bushes.
We can get it.
That is awesome. Oh my god.
Look at the seat. There it is.
Blew that fucking
This
car
is-
up, man. That's
Imagine
illegal.
It's
This-
still on fire.
This should not be legal.
This should not be legal.
No.
Look at this.
What it did.
Look at this side.
They didn't even card me.
Yeah, they didn't card me either.
Yeah, this is only 6 pounds, Justin.
Huh?
This was 6 pounds.
6 pounds. You weighed it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This wasn't 6 pounds.
Yeah.
Dude, it ripped that car completely open.
We gotta put that fire out for real.
I'm so glad I didn't sit in the front seat.